Welcome to Static Model Mayhem. On this episode, we're starting a new series of repairing scale models, movie props, or any damaged display pieces. It's a special episode because we're going to repair my sister's Fallout display piece, which is a bomb. A bit of a background story. It's a family thing. We're semi-obsessed with the Fallout series, and at some point my sister, which I love very, very much, decided to get the special Fallout box with all the games inside. After a while, she moved into a lovely house with her fantastic husband, and as you can imagine, there's collateral damage to every move. So what we're going to do is replace this little piece, which is missing, got lost in the way, with this one, and glue back the screw head, and of course fix up the base. Off we go then. Let's start with the easy piece, just a bit of super glue, and if it don't fall off my hand, that should be able to be glued in place. Just a bit of extra support from the underside so it won't be visible to visitors and guests. Here we go. Now for the Now for the tricky part. Hopefully this one will cover the hole. Come on, don't fall in. I would say it's good enough, as usual. From the bottom. Here we go. And we'll give it a few seconds to dry. I think we're good here. This one's a bit trickier because of the material. It's, in case you're wondering, it's Green Stuff World's, one of Green Stuff World's mech pieces, mech detail pieces, which we have appropriated to save the bomb. Turn it upside down and let's find out where this thing fell off. I'm seeing nope. Let's see where we get. Here we are. I think. Probably. This one fits right there. Let's try it the other way around. This one looks much better, don't you think? So, as usual, we're going to super glue everything in place. Because according to my theory, if something doesn't stick, all you need is more glue. Come on. I'm not going to put any accelerator on that because I don't want this to be very brittle. If you put accelerator on your super glue, you're missing. You are going to lose some strength. You're going to make it a lot more brittle than it should be. Yes, it dries out within seconds. But quite frankly, I'm not a big fan. Use in emergency only. Right. We're getting there. And I think that we are done here, just waiting for the glue to dry. And we are not using any exotic materials like, I don't know, epoxy putty, just in case we mess up with the lovely paint job that they did on this. And we have, this one's fine. We had another breakage here and we've repaired it earlier. Right, so let's see what we have. Gentle. We got it. And my categories also as well. Anyway, thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. And that's about it for now. Take care.